Hello and welcome back again on my YouTube channel. So in today's video we will discuss about the system logs, files and journals. So this is the very topic in the Linux admin, and please keep watch video till the end. So the system logs and journals play a vital role in Linux environment. So let me point out. Okay. So log files and journals are important to a system admin. Log files contains event and messages generated by kernel applications and users that log into the system. So log files may be like by kernel applications, applications which are installed on your system, applications and users. So when syslog and rsyslog have long been used to provide an on Linux server. So syslog and log have log. There are basically two terms that is used in earlier version of the Linux system, that is syslog and rsyslog. rsyslog. So these two terms that have long been used to provide an on Linux servers. Systemd become the default service manager with RHEL 7. So in earlier version, like before before RHEL 7, or we can say until RHEL 6 and 6.99, we can say. So this is basically that is used, this syslog and rsyslog is basically used, and after that systemd becomes in today's RHEL like you will get in 7 and RHEL 8 and 9 and so on. So you will get like systemd is basically used to manage logs. Let me clear out this screen and move on. When in so systemd becomes the default service manager with RHEL 7 and the latest version of the latest like 8 and 9, and introduce its own logging system called systemd journald. So that is called as journald. Is the basic uh, mechanism that is used right now. This log service keeps various logs files under var log. So let me jump into the var log. So this is the directory where rsyslog service keeps various log files under this directory, like uh, messages and other files of app. So basically rsyslog service keeps various logs file under this var. You can view the files with the help of commands like less, more, tools in various. So this will list out your logs files in very effective way as well as in the correct format. And tlf you can also use like tlf let's say I want to open where log message. It will open like tell f. So updated would when like let's say you want to troubleshoot something. So the latest updated log entries will be updated here by mentioning tail-app. So tail-app will list out the updated lines in the log files which you want to see. So let me come out from this. So as right now we are using the latest version like 8, 9 of CentOS or like other flavors of the Linux. The systemd generality service does not keep separate files like rsyslog. So just we discussed like rsyslog which contains the various files under log directory. But the the latest mechanism that is systemd generality that is used in the latest flavors, latest version of the red. So this does keep any separate files like rsyslog. Instead, the it basically keeps logs under the binary files. The idea is to avoid checking different files for issues. Let's say you are using the previous version of the Red Hat, so you have to go to the separate files for the to check the errors or to troubleshoot your errors. So you have to check different files for different types of errors. Let's say you want to check the logs for the particular application, so you have to jump into the var log directory under that particular files of that application, so that where you can find the logs, separate logs for that particular application. So in this way we can say previous versions like rsyslog service keeps separate files, but the latest mechanism that is used systemd generality that is used binary files, binary format, and that cannot be read by the text editor. So this is used basically a simple utility. The idea is too simple to avoid checking different files for issues. So let me mobile. Let's say you want to check messages like journalctl. So this will give you the logs. So just by simple pressing one command like journalctl. So this is the simple utility that is used in today's world. Let's say you want to view the to view the last 10 events. So simple you have to mention -n. So this will list out the last 10 events. Let's say you want to check the last 20 events, so you have to mention like -n 20. So this will list out the last 20 events or last 20 lines of logs. Let me move ahead. Let's say you are troubleshooting the errors of a particular application. So with the help of just simple utility like journalctl, you can troubleshoot the errors. Let's say you are troubleshooting a particular example. For example, you are troubleshooting HTTP. So you can just simply check the logs of HTTP by simple pressing hyphen. hyphen after hyphen you have to mention the service name whatever you want to check. So here I want to mention like httpd. So this will list out all the logs entries which are related to httpd. Let me hit enter. So as you can see, this is showing me the entries that is related to GHTTP server. Another terminal and will show you like how you can easily troubleshoot the help of just simple utility. So let me the status of the service. You can see right now my service is active and running. So let me so for the latest log files you have to mention like F for latest and U for service. I want to check the logs for HTTPD. I will hit enter. So this will show me the latest log entries. So as you can see, the the last entry is at 1928 and this is showing me started the Apache HTTPD. So let me stop the service and we'll check the logs. Let me stop. Then you can see the entries has been generated and you can see stopping the HTTP, stopping the Apache HTTP service stopping at this time and stopped at this 1942 47 seconds. Let me start again and this will show me the start entry of the service. So let me move on to my next terminals. As you can see, could not be that it is showing me also more information related to this, and finally it is showing me the latest entry that is started the HTTPD. Like so in this way you can troubleshoot the system issues with the help of just simple command. Let me come out from the game and move on. Let's say you want to check the entries for a particular time. Let's say you want to check entries for last 1 hour. So you can just simply place like since 1 hour, 1 hour ago. So this will show you the entries for 1 hour. You can also mention as per your requirement time. So this will show you the entries for that particular time. Also mention like since today. Since it will show you the entries for today only. So let me clear out the screen and will hit since today. So since today means this will show me the entries only for today. So in this way you can check by just simple commands. So journalctl is a very powerful tool utility which used. You can also check journalctl -v. -v is simple for since boot. This will show you all the entries since boot. Let's say I want to check for an error, so I will use journal hyphen p error. So as you can see, this is showing me in the red light detected CPU. This is showing me something wrong entries that is related to error. So mention like top level error. There is no entry code error. Three. Which is not showing right now. See, this is showing warning also failed to start. So this is showing some kind of error. So in this way you can check the errors. So General CTL is a very powerful and very helpful tools in the latest version of the Red Hat. So we hope you enjoyed the video and this is very helpful for you. For any doubt or further information, you can comment me. So I will go back to you. Thank you.